The children insisted on coming and playing in the rain, so I told them they can catch the chickens that aren't in the pen. They can't get under the roof because they want to play in the rain anyways. Hey, catch them nice. Corner them, corner them. And there's the parrot. At least the rain isn't very cold. The rain isn't cold, it's still warm even when it's raining, so they don't get sick from the rain. And this is what we're doing. We got all wet, but look at the baby, he's all cozy. Woo! He's happy. So we're out here in the rain, and the children insisted that we come to look at the creek, and we were surprised. It's been raining all night, and look at the size of the creek. Here, I'm going to show you. Wow! Hey, don't go too close to the water. It might suck you in. Look at that. That's our cashew tree. It's also flooded. Hey, get out of the water.